This is June 21st, 2010, Grande Prairie, Alberta. We're getting a prairie storm here. Check this out. This isn't the worst storm we've had, but there's some thunder and lightning. There's been some pretty strange weather going on in Alberta this summer, and this is just kind of out of the blue. We didn't even see this coming. It's already been raining for about 10 minutes now. In 2007 we had a storm that was so bad the sky in the south turned black and there was a lightning show like we've never seen here before. And this is mild compared to what we got then, but